Hello friends. You may have heard about text-to-sound converter. With its help you can change any text in sound. And today I am going to give you information about a similar product called Caster Vocalizer. With its help, you can change the text to sound. Let's check what is actually Caster Vocalizer.
Were generated by Caster Vocalizer software. I'm about to show you amazing and absolutely revolutionary neural technology which not only delivers massive improvements in speech quality, but it increases naturalness and expressiveness, which are the two key factors in creating lifelike speech, that is getting closer than ever to human voices, or computer. Caster Vocalizer provides a wide selection of natural-sounding male and female voices. Caster Vocalizer's natural pronunciation of text enables you to deliver high-quality voice output, perfect for sales letters, explainer videos, video ads, affiliate video reviews and any other videos. Here's how easy Caster Vocalizer is to use. Step 1. Select a language and voice you want to use. Step 2. Paste your text. Step 3. Click the Create button. That's it. Those 3 steps will have you creating your next amazing voiceover in seconds. And the best part? With the included commercial license, you can not only create voiceovers for yourself, but you can use them in videos you create for your client.
Now you understand how amazing is this. Look a quick review on it. Different from other products. Sound more natural than other product. Variety of voice. This product offer you many voice option. Variety of language. In this you get more than 10 option of languages. With the help of it you can generate better by choosing the language according to you. This product is useful for you if you are an YouTuber. It may good option for you advertiser. Freelancers. Thousands of job can be done through this. And many more opportunity. All links in description below and I hope this video would helpful to you. Thanks for watching this.